Hello makeup lover and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've already been here before. If not, my name is Malene. I'm a Danish makeup artist living in Barcelona in Spain. For today's two different looks, I pulled out my bronze Bliss palette. It's a Quint from Pat McGrath Holiday Collection 2022. I only just got it because it didn't really make me super interested when I saw it, so I skipped on that. But when it went on sale for a very good price, I couldn't resist. So here I am today, showing you two different looks with this palette. So if you want to see how I did them, please hang in there and I will show you. Now, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. And of course, if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. It will be awesome to have you join. Now, let's go ahead and do some makeup, shall we? I'm going to show you the palette. Dip my Builder Pro into the darkest color. I'm placing it on the outer part of my mobile eyelid here. And I don't have an eyeshadow primer on or a base. I'm only wearing the Pat McGrath foundation in the color light medium 08. Pulled out my flat definer brush and I'm going to make this line a little bit more straight. Like so. Using the tip of the flat definer to make an eyeliner under the eye here, just on the outer part under the eye here. Going back with the Builder Pro, I did not dip into any color or anything. I'm just going to move what I already have on my lid here a little bit. I'm going to blend it out, diffuse the color, as you can see. Dipped into the soft definer to give this eye look a little bit of a highlighter here under my brow. I normally do that at step one, but the look I did just the previous look, I didn't use a highlighter because the highlighting shade was a little bit too off for me to use, so I forgot. Dip my Builder Pro into the darkest metallic shadow, and I'm going to put that here next to and on top of the border of the dark matte shade. Dip my brush into the medium colored metallic shade, and I'm just going to put that next here, so we go from dark to lighter. Dipped into the same shade again because I didn't feel that it showed up that much. And now I dip my Builder Pro into the color that everyone is raving about because it's so shiny, and I can see what they mean. It's like a silvery taupe, if there ever was one. And I'm still using my Builder Pro. I brush it off in a makeup eraser between every color. Dip the tip of my flat definer into the medium colored metallic shadow. Oh, I'm doing it again. I keep wanting to pull my head down, bend down. here we go. Put on a little bit of extreme black eyeliner pencil from Pat McGrath on my upper waterline and the lower waterline. And I'm now going to blend it out a little bit here with a flat definer. I don't have anything on the brush. I just want to blend it out so it's not super black except from on the actual waterline. Before I put on some mascara, I want to blend it out a little bit with my Blender Pro, just so it is blended out. So there are like, the colors are gonna be a little bit more diffused here on the upper part of the eye makeup. Time for some eyeliner. Back with some mascara on, and this is what it looks like so far. I'm gonna put on some false lashes. Back with some false lashes, and this is what it looks like. It's a very typical classic eye look. I'm now gonna go on to the next eye. I don't want to make this look super dramatic, but I'm gonna start with the highlighter this time. I'm remembering it. Just under my brows. Dip my Builder Pro into the darkest metallic shade, and I'm gonna put that here. Oh wow, I might regret this later. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna do what I always say to people when I'm doing something. It's like, trust the process. I'm gonna trust the process now. I'm just stamping it on. And now I'm just gonna blend it upwards a little bit. And I'm still just stamping, more or less, because this is a very glittery, shimmery shade, so I don't want this glitter all over the place. Sometimes when I'm just doing my makeup without any cameras recording, I just bend my head down like this, when I do the shimmery shades, so that if there are some fallout, it's not gonna fall down on my face. Dipped into the same metallic color, and now I'm just going to use the tip of the brush to make this eyeliner under my eye. I'm going to connect that to the upper part. Now I'm going to go in with the same color I used as a highlighter before, and I'm just going to place that here on the mobile eyelid. This is a very neutral, if you can say it's neutral when there are glitter involved, but this is to me a very neutral, like toned down look. To amp it up a little bit, I dipped into the middle shade, I think it is a middle shade, the light silvery top shade here. I'm just gonna place that here on the middle of the eyelid, like so. To keep it fairly neutral, I'm not gonna use the black eyeliner. I'm gonna use a Extreme Black Coffee, I think it's called, or just black coffee. Back with a little bit of mascara, and this is what it looks like. I'm now going to put on some false lashes. Back with some lashes on. I'm now going to go off cam and do a full face of makeup so you can see what these two different looks look like with a full face of makeup. And here you see the two different looks with the full face of makeup. On my cheeks, I am wearing the Color Balm from Pat McGrath in the color Fleurotique, and I also put on the pink highlighter from the highlighting trio, also from Pat McGrath. On my lips, I'm actually also using the blush stick. To do something a little bit extra, I'm gonna put on a little bit of the eyeshadow, the lightest color, well, the one I used as a highlighter, on my lips. I'm just gonna put it on my lower lip, like so. And then I'm gonna put on my glasses, because I wear glasses, as you know. So, this is it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or good ideas for future content, please put it in the comment box. And lastly, of course, if you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Now, I want to thank you so much for taking your time out of your day to watch this video, and I hope you will have an awesome day. Thank you so much. Bye. Mwah.